if you guys could hear me or not, but welcome back to Andrew's Old School Garage. And yes, we were just driving my dad's Ford, because today is Ford Friday. So, I'm holding my phone, which is my camera, with my hand, because I didn't feel like grabbing my tripod, because I just thought of making the video at the last second. But yeah, we were just driving the Ford, you know, got some of the other tractors out. My Ford and my other wheel horse are still sitting inside. And then there's the big wheel horse. But yeah, guys, this thing drives awesome. But it does, because this has no padding right here, as you guys can see, it's flat. Since it's got no padding, you can really feel the engine as it goes up and down. And, you know, because you're making like 12 horsepower here, people. So, you got that. You can definitely feel the power of the engine when you're sitting on this thing. But, hydrostatic, as you guys know. And Sabrina is about to start barking at a dog. So, yeah. Oh, if you guys did not see, there are Jacobsen wheel weights on here. So, that's pretty cool. You know, just a quick update for you guys. If you guys haven't seen my other recent videos, yeah. But let's go say hi to Sabrina real quick. Hi, Sabrina. Sabrina. Yeah. You liking a nice day? Yeah. You're a good puppy. Yes, you are. All right. So that's that with my dad's Ford. I'm gonna have to put this in the back in the garage, but let's go to my Ford now. Sorry about the junk in here, guys. But Ford's still sitting the same way it was. I thought I fixed the wiring harness. I did not. So that's a thing. I do not really know what's wrong with the wiring harness. I'm gonna have to figure it out one of these days. But for now, it's sitting here until I figure out the wiring harness. And now Sabrina's barking at my neighbor. Hi. Sabrina, you're fine. You're fine. Puppy! Sabrina. So anyways, guys, as you guys can see, I know it is Ford Friday, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek for the wheel horse video that I'm going to make after I'm done making this video. So yeah. Here's how a wheel horse is doing right now. I did buff it a little more, which you guys can't really tell. I mean, you might be able to tell by the parts of the engine. So I did buff the tractor a little more. And, you guys can't see that yet. Guess you can. Yeah, I buffed that too, if you guys... Sabrina! Puppy! You're fine. Okay. Anyways, buffed that too. I was just driving this too before I brought the Ford out. And I was, you know, cycling the PTO. But yeah. So that's it on the Ford. Got the two Broadmoors out. Making a video on these after the wheel horse video. You know, getting the videos done. Because it's a nice day out, so I might as well use that day to do things for the tractors. Make videos and stuff for you guys. Anyways, lights still work though. See? Boom! The lights are still working. But if you guys did see that one video that I made, the lights are definitely way brighter on my Ford in there. I don't know why. My conclusion is that they just didn't use my lights as much as the people who did. They didn't use my lights on my tractor as much as the people who owned this. Yes, I have a big sweatshirt on. There. As much. So that's my thing. I don't know. Oh, real quick, guys. If you're watching this video, you have one of these Fords. Let's say you need the idler pulley that is right here behind the shield, and you need this belt. Well, I'll put the link in the description to my other video where we replace the belt and the idler pulley that's right there. And one of these days, I don't know when, but I promise you guys there will be a video on us replacing this pulley, and we'll tell you where to get the pulley, part numbers, and all that stuff. So yeah. But that's Ford Friday for today, guys. Catch you later. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you guys next time.